Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this curly hair look. The hair is actually from Curlscurls. As you can tell, this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair, and it also comes with how to style your hair as well and how to maintain your hair as well. And this is what the hair looks like. It also comes with an elastic band with clips on it, and guys, look at that curls. Look at that curls, guys. Straight from the box, the hair has actually been pre-plucked, and it also has baby hair around the perimeters of it. And the hair also have up to like 6 inches pattern on it, you know, the lace. And also it comes with 2 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back as well. And you can use the elastic strap in the wig cap to secure the hair. I use the Moroccan oil shampoo to wash the hair, and I also use the Tresemme conditioner to wash the hair as well. And yeah, that's all I'm showing you guys right now, and that's what the hair looks like. So throughout the washing of the hair and styling of the hair, there was no shedding, there was no tangling whatsoever, and I showed you guys the process throughout the styling of the hair as well. And in this video I didn't use any glue or gel except for my sideburns, if that makes sense, because that's the only place that lived for me because of the hair that I have in that areas are very stubborn. But apart from that, I didn't use any glue or gel at the center or anywhere else of the hair. So that's quite an amazing thing that I like about this, you know, construction of the cap of the wig. It's so easy to install, and you don't have to worry or fuss whatsoever. And also the hair can be patterned, styled anywhere you like. As you can tell, the hair actually has up to 6 inches pattern, and it's very easy to install and pat as well. Look at that, guys, so curly, and the curls were popping really. I didn't add any product to this hair at all, and as you can tell, it was so easy for me to install it. All I did was just cut the lace and lay down the sides, and voila, that's the first look. Easy peasy, guys, easy peasy. I would definitely recommend this hair for you if you are a beginner and you're looking for, you know, natural looking textured hair that would give you that freedom to style anyhow you like. I would definitely recommend this hair. You can style the hair anyhow you like, and you can pat it anyhow you like. So look there, guys, this is the second style. In this video, I didn't apply anything up until the end of the styling of the hair, so the hair is so soft. Look at that, guys. There was no shedding, no tangling whatsoever, and I was quite impressed about the fact that the quality of the hair was so amazing, like amazing. It was just like my natural hair but longer, and you can tell every style just goes well with my face. So yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. And I decided to go for baby hair. Feel free not to go for baby hair if you're not a fan of baby hair. So yeah, it depends on you, depends on how you want to style your hair. But I just decided to go for baby hair. As you guys already know that when it comes to curly hair, I always like to go for baby hair. And yeah, I'm not a pro at baby hair, but I just, you know, try my best and make it look as nice as I can, which I am loving at the moment. And also, that's the, you know, finished look. And bear in mind that because this hair is so easy and versatile, you can style it just like your own natural hair, guys, like your own natural hair. The list in terms of quality, in terms of construction of the cap, in terms of the brand, in terms of, you know, the shipping time, in terms of everything, I'll definitely give this a plus in my opinion. Like, it's a plus for me, like seriously. And also bear in mind that you can also go for a wet style. You can wet the hair with water or anything, you know, any product of your choice. But I wasn't going for a wet look today. I was just going for like a big hair don't care kind of look. Ignore me using the rubber band, use whatever you like to style your hair. I was just using this as an example of the style that you could go for, and I am loving this, guys. I am loving it. Please feel free to stay tuned for the review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this curly curls hair right here that I'm wearing right here, and I am loving this hair. As you can tell, it's a 3B3C natural hair texture and the color is natural and it's in the length is in 14 inches. So I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts with you guys. This is my first time trying hair from this brand. They are called Curlscurls. I'm going to leave the details of the brand in the description box below for you guys to check them out. But first, let's get into details about this hair. So the first thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that the hair comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, and it also comes pre-plucked. So everything has been done for you. You don't have to worry at all. And another thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that apart from the fact that everything has already been customized for you guys, the most interesting thing that I really love about this hair is the fact that it's beginner friendly. Why? Because the hair comes with an elastic strap inside the cap of the wig, and that was exactly what I used to install this hair. As you can tell from when I was installing the hair, I didn't use anything whatsoever to install the hair apart from the elastic strap at the back of the hair and just my side. I just had to lay my side down, and that is it. You don't have to do anything whatsoever, nothing whatsoever. Just use the pre-installed elastic strap at the back of the hair right there. Look at that. No glue, no gel whatsoever. So the hair is actually easy to install for anyone that is looking to install their hair without worrying about using glue or gel. I would definitely recommend this hair for beginner. Like seriously, you don't have to do anything. I just like to secure this side because my hair is always lifting. So apart from that, you can do without glue, gel or anything to install the hair if you're the type that really don't mind. So that for me is just a no-brainer. Like seriously, cut your lace and install your hair. No glue, no gel, no fuss, no nothing. And coupled with the fact that everything has already been done for you straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about plucking your hair whatsoever. That's a big thumbs up for me with this brand as well. And another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing. Like seriously, while I was washing the hair, I was expecting to get strands of hair here and there because it's a curly hair that mimics natural hair. I was expecting that, but I didn't see nothing. I showed you guys when I was washing this hair that there was no tangling whatsoever throughout the process of washing the hair and everything. There was nothing in the sink whatsoever. I was quite surprised. Like seriously, that's amazing. And coupled with the fact that while I was styling the hair, I was quite impressed with the fact that there was no tangling or shedding as well. You can tell my hand goes through it easily without any problem or issue whatsoever. That for me is just amazing, because there's no point struggling with your own natural hair and at the same time getting a wig that mimics your hair and still struggle with that wig as well. I don't know if that makes sense, but for me this is just a no-brainer. And also, if you guys notice from the beginning of installing this hair that I didn't have any products on this hair whatsoever, and the curls were still popping, guys. Popping. Like seriously, the quality of the hair is just amazing. Like in my opinion, amazing. Like I don't have to do anything. And also you can style the hair anyhow you like. You can go for any style you like. I just don't want to keep repeating the styles that I've showed you guys before, so I actually went for like 2-3 styles. I showed you guys 2-3 styles because I don't want to keep repeating myself when it comes to styling the hair. But this feels so much like my natural hair, but longer and healthier, which I really like a lot. Look at that. And it's really full. There's no shedding, no tangling whatsoever, and there's no stray strands whatsoever. Like seriously. And also when I washed the hair, I was thinking would I be able to make this video today? But then by the time I had my bath and everything, the hair was already dried, like just like natural hair. I'm like, seriously guys, this is so amazing. Like I really like the quality of the hair, and I like the fact that I don't have to force to do anything about this hair. The minute you get your hair straight from the box, just cut the lace and adjust the elastic strap, you're good to go. The packaging also comes with an elastic band as well. If that's the look you're going for, that's absolutely fine. You can use the elastic band in the box and attach it on the lace and use that to install your hair. And that's also an option to install your hair and, you know, keep it secure on your head without having to worry about gel or glue. And also, if you're the type that prefer applying gel or glue to your hair, then that's also. And also, if you don't know Curlscurls hair, they are hair company that sells hair that mimics African American hair. So they have all types of hair on their website that mimics your own natural hair. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, but you definitely find something that is very, very close to your hair, or if not exactly like your hair. So yeah, depending on the style you're going for, but they have all options for you. They have clips in, they have lace front wigs, they have full lace wig, all types of hair. Another thing that I like about this brand is the fact that their shipping took exactly 3 days, guys. Exactly 3 days to get here in the UK. So you rest assured that you get your hair wherever you are as soon as possible. So for me, that's A+. The packaging of the hair is also amazing because you can easily store your hair in the box that came with the hair, so you don't have to worry about messing your hair up whatsoever. So that for me is also an amazing, you know, thing about the brand that I really like a lot. The fact that I can easily take it off when I'm tired and, you know, at night, and, you know, wear it back if I like. So I'm quite a fan of the fact that it's so easy to install and, you know, uninstall. So for me, that's a no-brainer. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the video and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. I think I'm going to do that, but I don't have elastic band, but let's see how it goes.